Hey, this is Deepak here again, and welcome to lesson 10 of your Google AdWords Mastery course. So this is the final lesson, and here we will be concluding the course. We will be looking at a few concepts like how to get Google AdWords certified and how to stay updated about AdWords. So I am sure that you are excited because you have made it this far. You have completed 9 lessons, which almost consist of everything in AdWords. And even I am really happy that we are going to finish off with the lessons and move on to other things such as Facebook marketing and other marketing courses. So let's get started. So recap of what we have covered so far in this course. So in the first lesson, we looked at the evolution of search engines and we had an introduction about search engine marketing. This lesson is more of a mindset on how to think about search engines and search engine marketing. Then we had an introduction to Google AdWords. We had a tour of inside the Google AdWords interface, and this tour was more than 30 minutes long. We have covered almost all the nooks and corners of the AdWords login. Then we learned about the importance of keyword research and different keyword types. So we learned how we can do keyword research using different tools and what are all the different keyword types that are specific to AdWords. How to create a campaign step by step. This was shown to you in the 5th lesson, and you learned how to create a search only campaign, display only campaign and search campaign with display select. Then we looked at landing pages and conversions. We looked at different types of ad extensions and different types of ad customizations such as ad scheduling, location targeting and device targeting. So now that you have learned all these things, you have got the foundation ready, but if you have to become an expert, you have to practice with real campaigns. So get a Google AdWords account. If you have not got a Google AdWords account yet, get one. A credit card is required to create a Google AdWords account. So if you don't have a credit card, if the bank does not issue a credit card, there is something called as an easy credit card, which means that you have to make a fixed deposit of something like maybe 25,000 rupees, and they will give you a credit card for 20,000 rupees in limit against this fixed deposit. This fixed deposit will be the security for this credit card, and you will be able to get one. So what you can do is that you can consult clients for free. You can create a master client center account in your Google AdWords account and go ahead and do free optimization and free review of your clients AdWords accounts. This will give you more experience with AdWords. You can practice report generation. We looked at how AdWords really gives you good reports, and you can practice with that. You can create different types of campaigns. You can link your Google AdWords account to analytics account and do all the things that we discussed about, and basically play around with this tool because it does not cost anything, right? For example, if you are learning something like manufacturing, you need a real machine to play around with, which you cannot afford. But AdWords is such a great tool. Billion-dollar company developed this tool, and you can basically play around with this tool just by creating a free account. And if possible, even you can try to get some $50 or $100 free AdWords credits. Many times these free coupons are given away in the web. You can search for it, or after you create an account, somebody will get in touch with you from AdWords, or you can get in touch with an AdWords support person and ask them for a free credit, and they will be happy to give you some free credits so that you can start experimenting with AdWords. So you can go ahead and get Google AdWords certified. So after you complete this course and after you mail me that you have finished with all the lessons, I will give you a certificate, which is a certificate of course completion. But that does not mean that you are Google AdWords certified. Google AdWords certification comes after you do an exam with Google and get certified. So how to get Google AdWords certified? So go to google.com/partners. And you can attempt the exams now. You will know what you don't know. Like even if you are not yet a Google AdWords expert, you can still attempt the exam so that you can look at all the questions and see where most of the questions are coming from. And you will know what you don't know in AdWords so that you can go ahead and learn more about it. So I will show you a live preview of how you can get Google AdWords certified. So here I am at the URL google.com/partners using my personal account. So in this account, if you click on certifications, there is AdWords and Analytics certification. So you just need to pass 2 exams out of 6 exams to get certified. So out of which AdWords fundamental exam is mandatory. So I completed the exams and it says congratulations, you are AdWords certified, and my AdWords certificate is valid until 5th Jan 2017. So AdWords fundamental course I have completed, and exam I have completed, and search advertising exam I have completed as well. So these exams, so the first exam has 120 is for 120 minutes, 2 hours. It has 100 questions and 80% is the passing score. And it also has 4 lessons which you can learn from. So you can click on exam details to get more information about it. So here if I want to complete the video advertising lesson, so for studying they give you some free resources as well, and you can click on take exam and attempt the exam. So if you attempt the exam and if you fail in the exam, they will give you 1 or 2 weeks waiting period until you can take the exam again. But I recommend that you go ahead and take these exams right away after you complete this course, so that you can know where you stand in terms of AdWords knowledge. So once you get certified, what you can get is that you can get a certification badge which looks like this. This is my certificate, and you can see that it's valid up to 5th January 2017. And Google also gives you a public profile in which you can showcase your Google certificate to other people. So this is my public profile URL. I can share it with anyone. So it shows that the page is public and visible to others, and click here to make it private. So right now this notification bar is coming because I am logged into my account. But if somebody else is looking at this profile link, they will be able to click on this particular link and they can see that I have AdWords search certification. After this course, there will be a lot of changes to Google AdWords that will keep getting updated every month or two, right? And you need to stay updated. This course covers the fundamentals. I will be writing on my blog about any updates, but you need to follow my blog and other blogs to stay updated. So I will show you some of the blogs even I follow to stay updated on AdWords. So adwords.googleblog.com, this is the official blog of Google AdWords, and this is something that you should follow definitely. You can follow searchengineland.com. You can follow ppchero.com. Reportgarden.com/blog helps you with lots of reporting structures and how to create AdWords reports and other types of reports. Searchenginewatch.com. In this, go to the category PPC, and here you will get all the search engine marketing related news and you will stay updated about it. Apart from blogs, you can also follow some forums. Quora is a very good place to learn about pay-per-click marketing. You can ask questions there. You can what I recommend is that you go ahead and answer other people's questions about AdWords, and as you teach more people, you will learn it better. Reddit.com/r/ppc, this is a good forum where they talk about PPC marketing. And also follow ppcchat.co, which is basically Twitter chat organized and curated into ppcchat.co. So that's it for this lesson. Pretty much we have covered everything in AdWords, and finally we are here at the 10th lesson. So what's next? Join the Facebook forum for Google AdWords. Link will be sent to you via email. So whoever has purchased this particular course, we have a Facebook group for these buyers. So all are people who are learning AdWords, and I will be there in this forum answering your questions whenever possible, whenever time permits. So join this forum. Stay tuned for bonus videos on Google AdWords. So I will be creating a few more videos on Google AdWords which I have not covered in this course, and I will be sending it to as a bonus in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that, and obviously follow my blog digitaldeepak.com. So thanks a lot for investing in this course. I hope you learned AdWords in a very efficient way, and I hope you enjoyed learning from me. The pleasure was equally mine. I enjoyed teaching this course and creating this coursework. So I'm really glad that we are towards the end of this course. So if you have any questions or feedback, please reply to me via email, and if you have any testimonial, please reply to me via email, and I will look forward to your email. So thanks a lot, and all the best for becoming an AdWords expert. Bye bye.